Today we're talking about the arthritis fighter. For those of you who are struggling with the discomfort of arthritis and gout, this is the formula for you. It's an all-natural herbal supplement called the Arthritis, Gout, and Back Fighter. It helps to reduce the amount of acids in the system to help with the gout, with the swelling and discomfort there. And it also helps with the flexibility in the joints, with the pain, so you get up feeling better in the morning and you are less painful throughout the day. It comes in powder form or capsule form, and it helps with inflammation in the system that's causing a lot of these terrible symptoms. So you can get this formula at islandsearth.com. That's ISLANDSEARTH.com. Change your products, change your life at islandsearth.com today.